All right, practice problem 2. So again, we're going to find our y-axis. We're going to highlight it. This is our line of reflection. All of the points are going to get flipped or reflected over this red line. So starting with y. Y is 2 spaces from the red line. So I'm going to count 2 spaces on the other side. 1, 2. Here is y prime. X is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spaces. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the other direction and put my point. That is x prime. Final point, z down here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So go 6 the other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And label that z prime. Very carefully, you're going to connect with straight lines to make your new triangle. So see how it's now facing the other direction? Now I need to record where are x, y, and z, and x prime, y prime, and z prime. So x is located at -7, 5. Y is at -2, 8. Z is at -6, -6. Let me make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Okay. And then, so only my x's are going to change. So watch how easy this is. I don't have to really think about it. Okay. All the y's are going to be exactly the same. 5, 8, -6. Don't even have to think about it. X's are all going to become their opposites. So instead of -7, +7. Instead of -2, +2. Instead of -6, +6. So you really only have to do the work once for the first triangle. And then if you can remember that rule, the second triangle, the image, should be really easy for you to find the ordered pairs. So that's it for practice problem 2. We've got 2 more.